Good day. We are from the Indonesian Surveyor Association. Right now, me, myself, Virgo Arestajaya, and my colleague Riza Abdullah would like to share the information about our newly application, namely Get Survey. Over the last 2 years, we never thought that we would spend our days, indoors due to the coronavirus pandemic, and it has changed people behavior, economic change, lifestyle, and we need to adapt to that pandemic. So everybody, including us, we need to change our behavior. We do social distancing, everything, including our way of life and way of work. Our President of Indonesia also concerned about this pandemic, and also is the issue of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. So human resources, including us, surveyors, we need also to change our behavior, our way of work to adapt with the Industrial Revolution era, which is, make our work more efficient and more effective in order to contribute more to the country and also to the world. To answer that challenge, the Indonesian Surveyors Association also launching the new application, namely Get Survey, which is the application to promote the provision of the surveyor close to the public. One of the reasons we launched this application is due to the surveyors is not very popular profession in Indonesia, not just like doctor, lawyer, and everything. So we really hopefully believe that this application will promote our profession in the public awareness. The first project of the Get Survey application is the collaboration with the government of DKI Jakarta, which is the capital of Indonesia, to conduct a survey for the building construction permits. This application, will connect the user who want to have a city plan permit application and the surveyor. So we link the surveyors and also the people who needs the service. The request of the applicants accordingly will be broadcasted to the surveyors throughout the Jakarta territory. All the surveyors then gets a notification or get informed about the requirement from the user. And when one of the surveyor has accepted the application, there will be a contract between the user and the surveyors. This application also equipped with the chatting feature where surveyors and the application can communicate each other. And for provisional reason, Ikatan Surveyor Indonesia will record all the chatting between surveyors and customers. This application also adopt the payment gateway, which makes the applicants easier to make a transfer. And we also issue the invoice of the transaction which is paid by the customer. When the payment has been made, the surveyors come to meet the applicant and carry out the survey in the field. Next, my colleague Reza will deliver the technical data flow within the application. Please, Reza.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Virgo.
Here is the business flow of the output or data report from the Get Survey application. There are two attachments, namely the land map, or in this case, let's call it land plot map, which is attached by PDF, and the metadata from the data acquisition. First, the surveyor sends the data to the admin.
Admin is from ISI or Indonesian Surveyors Association.
Next, the admin do quality control. After that, admin approve, and then both data are sent to the DKI Jakarta government to be processed to the next stage. And finally, the map sent to the users or applicant as a proof of the final results of the surveyor's work from the Get Survey application. Okay, please continue, Mr. Virgo.
Hopefully, by launching this application, we surveyors in Indonesia at least have 3 benefits. First is it's easier now to get communicate and to get known by the people or the customer about our profession in surveying. Secondly, we can continuously improve our services through the review or the feedback given by the customers. Thirdly, we prove ourselves Indonesian surveyors are agile surveyors and ready to change in order to be more relevant in a new reality. Thank you.